Hey, I wanted to show you this cool cooker stove that we got. So just kind of show you the box that it comes in here and everything that comes with it. So almost ready to go. So you can see what it looks like here. Comes with everything you need. So there's basically a hose here, and then just one little piece is all you need to do to assemble it. It's ready to go. So there's some directions here. So only thing you really need is a wrench just to fasten this. I've got my propane tank that I'm going to hook it up to, and I'll just show you how to assemble it and how to use it quick. So now all you need to do is just open up your valve about one turn. You can hear the propane coming through a little bit. Also, there is a kind of like a governor here. You can twist and turn to whatever you want, and you can control the flames with this. I've got it pretty closed right now, but go ahead and just light it, and there you go. So now you can control the flames. If you close this, it's going to be higher. If you open it a little more, it's going to be lower. And then you can open the propane tank a little bit more too, and governor here. So there's just lots of different options. You can turn this as open as you want and really get those flames high, or you can turn it down lower, and then also there too. So now I'm ready. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to throw this pot on here. You can see I've got a nice roast. Just set this right up on top of the flames, and before long it'll be cooking and it'll be ready to eat. All right, so I just wanted to let you know too, this is it's very large, really good quality. So it can bear a really big load and a heavy object, but really fast to cook with. It cooks in a hurry, a lot of power. But overall, I would really recommend this product. You should check it out on Amazon.